All right, CSS battle time, starting the timer. This is yesterday's target. Let's refresh. All right, a bird face. Okay, so we have a triangle, and we have a couple of squircles. The interesting thing is so these are border radius except for one, and one of them has 0 border radius, makes that shape. Between this shape and this shape, they're different corners, but the background, the eyeball is in this same place, but the not same relative place. So you can't mirror them completely. The eyeballs could be separate elements from the eyes. That would work. Um, let's just start with the circle. Can I do? Yeah, I can do a couple gradients on the background to get the circle. So I'm going to do a linear gradient. And it's going to go from this color to transparent. Yeah. And I'm seeing it on the body as well, so I'm going to temporarily change this to that selector. That may stay, I don't know. This is just going to be 50%. And this is going to be 0. I don't know if that's exactly right, but it's close. Nope. 55. Oops. 57 looks close. I don't know if it's exactly right. I'm going to have to change that to pixels. Then I'm going to have a conic gradient that goes from 315, and it's going to be this color, 25%, and then I'm going to have this color for the rest. And why am I seeing nothing? Oh, because it's in the wrong place. At 50%, 80%. Okay, it's on screen. All right, and my angles are wrong, so let's go to 325 and 20%. That angle is, the start angle is right, the end angle is wrong. 20%'s like 70 degrees, maybe it's 75 degrees. Nope, 65 degrees. 70 degrees. Oh, man, typing struggles. Okay, that is the right shape. Now to put it in the right place. 75, 76 is pretty close. 76.5, 57.5, 56.5. Okay, that's close. I don't know if that's going to be close enough to match, but it's close. We may have to change all of this stuff to pixels to get close enough. But I want to start on the other part. I don't think that I want to mess with the body. I don't think so. I think I just want to select paragraph. I mean, okay. Let's mess with the body. So star, background, radial gradient, from dark color to white. It's going to be 1Q. That effectively means circle. It's going to be 20 pixels. That's too big, but that's okay. And we need to move it over doing the background. But before I move it over, I want to constrain my body to the size of that eyeball, because otherwise I'm just going to have to move it again. So I'm going to do margin. Actually, before I do margin, I'm going to do outline, 1 pixel solid. And now margin, 70, 50, well, 70, 150, 150. Okay. It's more like 250, 230, 20, nope, 240. That's being weird. Oh, I didn't hit 4. Okay, top is right. This one needs to be 60. And this one needs to be 130. Okay. Now I have my shape right. This is too big. It's going to be 15. Yep. And now at 20 pixels, 50%. I have to say at. 10. Nope, 30. Okay. There's that. Now to get the corners right, I need to do border radius 50%, 50%, 0. All right. That is the right thing. Now to my paragraph. That is the shape of my paragraph right now. Well, that's the shape of my body right now, actually. I'm just going to do position fix and padding 50. There's the thing. Let's get rid of the outline because it's just confused me eventually. Border radius 50%, 50%, 50%, 0. Margin minus 50. Okay. Margin 0. That's a cool ghost. And 100. 200. 180. Okay. Well, let's see if that's a match. I suspect I'm going to get in trouble with my nose. Yeah. All right. So let's make this 200 pixels. Let's see where we are. Okay. That's too low. So let's make it 180, 170. That looks right. That 50% is okay. I think that, what is that one? That's the position. Okay, let's change that. What's that going to be? It's going to be 200 pixels. 230. 230 looks pretty right, which means my angle is wrong. We're on 26. Still 70. No, 68. Let's see how it likes that. Okay, that's a match. All right. What can we save? Instead of 170 pixels, 17 divided by 2, 8, 188 Q? No, that's all different. Oops. 180 Q.
Starting narrator. Scan.
I don't know why you're doing that. Boy. That was okay. 11 minutes. 230 pixels. Gonna be 240 Q. Yeah, that is. All right. 92 Q. And 15 pixels is. I'm gonna try 16 Q. 240 is 55, no. 55, 60. Hey, sweetheart.
Yeah,
Recording a video. I'll be right there.
fine.
Oops. I'm not gonna get a whole percentage to work there. It's on zero. Alright, I'm just gonna minify. That's been 8 minutes. What I may play with in another video is the nose and seeing if I can do it more efficiently with something like borders. We'll see. I don't really love 300 character solutions, but that is what I have right now. There are some spaces left that I can get rid of, but it's not going to solve the problem of this being basically a 300 character solution. All right, we're going to call that good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.